Hello, if you connect your USB-C headphones into your Samsung Galaxy A57, but they are just not working, let me show you what you can do. So the first step, just simply plug them back. Yeah, I know it's quite simple, but just unplug them and plug them back. And right now you have to open the quick settings. And now you should find this icon of your earphones, which means that you successfully connect them. But if it is not working, and you are playing something, you can go for the media output and check if you have enabled that volume level. So if they are muted and you're gonna play something, you will be not able to hear anything. But once you actually turn up the volume, then you can actually use them. And if there's like this headphones icon over here, it means that you have to just purchase a new headphones, unfortunately, because they will be not supported with your phone. As you can see here, I have old Huawei headphones. They are from the Huawei P20 Pro and they are supported, but not every brand and not every model of the USB-C earphones or headphones are supported. So this is like two tips that I can give you: enable the volume level or simply purchase the new pair because they are not supported.